Hey, welcome back, Rankers. A few things coming out from Google last week. Firstly, the Merchant Center. They're now letting retailers use it who may not have ad campaigns. So they're actually encouraging retailers to get all their data in order to make their search engine work better, of course, and get all the structured data set up on there, and then go and upload the feeds to the Merchant Center so Google can help Google find all their products for search, and then Google will make those products available in search and also images and those sorts of things. So if you're not a retailer, if you are a retailer and you're not doing ads, you're leaving money on the table. So I certainly don't think any of the retailers I know would be going, oh yeah, okay, great Merchant Center, but they'd already be using it. The other thing that they announced a couple of weeks ago, or they're just releasing a few things, is what they call their Google Playbooks. Now, if you go and Google Playbooks, you will actually get Google Play books. So someone didn't think that one through. It's your search engine, Google. Anyway, don't go there, all right? Don't go to the Play Store. Where you want to go is just, hang on, I'll spell it right. Google UX Playbooks is what we want. And you'll find Barry Schwartz articles there as well where you can go and have a look at. But basically, these playbooks are what Google is calling best practice. And I had a look at this one last week. This is the latest version of the retail one, which is where my interest lies. And there is some tremendous stuff in there. Just like it's stuff that we're doing and we're going, oh look, tick, 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 tick. And there's a couple of things in there that we thought, ooh, I want to try that one, I want to try that one, I want to try this one on that client and that one on that client. So really good stuff. And these playbooks are generated from, the immense range of data that Google has. And they've got them for all sorts of industries. I'm only just looking at retailers at the moment, but you can go and say, I've just done a site colon search on the directory where they're stored. And you can see here we've got ones for finance, we've got one for auto, we've got them for AdSense, we've got them in Spanish, we've got them from Ramadan, we've got them for... There's a whole bunch of different playbooks there, and also a few interesting files. There's even one here from the mobile movement from 2011, so there you go. But one of the things that these sorts of documents won't tell you, they'll tell you the best practice, but what we're seeing is the different behaviors from the different channels and the way that they enter your site. Like a direct user might use your site differently to a new user who's coming through organic because the direct user knows it better. And this is just one channel that we've been working on with this particular client, and we're looking at mobile at the moment. Well, we're looking at overall, but the biggest effect that this change has had for this client is in mobile, and this is just year on year for this month. And overall, the mobile traffic has gone up 167% through this channel, which is actually organic. So this is organic channel, but also then using site search. So what I'm looking at here is mobile users using site search who have come in via organic, and just trying to get a feel of why they're the best converting user on this site. And once we learn from that, we can then start making adjustments for the other users that are coming to the site. And we're already doing it at the moment, but you can see there, what have we got? We've got a sample size of, so this is about 3 weeks worth of data, and we're looking at a tripling of the mobile traffic year on year, and doubling and a tripling here, or 160% to 219% here in revenue. And we're only talking 7 transactions overall during that time. But it just gives us an indication how the changes we've made are going for the different users on the site. Because you might do a change on your site, which might be great for one user, but it's not necessarily good for another user who's come in from another way and is expecting a different experience. But go and have a look at those UX playbooks, because there's a lot of great stuff in there. And if you have any questions, then please let us know. And if you've got any suggestions for the show, then we're all ears. And hey, please share and click subscribe if you're watching us on YouTube. Thanks very much. Bye.